Preparations for maintenance. (2082) alarm. Grid tied or off-grid controller abnormal. Please take the following actions. Turn off the switch of the SmartGuard. Disconnect the power supply. After the SmartGuard system is powered off, wait for 5 minutes and check as follows. First, check the SmartGuard communications cable. Second, check the inverter communications cable. Third, check the 10-pin communications cable of
the Smart Assistant.
Fourth, check the 14-pin communications cable of
the Smart Assistant.
Check whether 12-volt out positive and 12-volt out negative are short-circuited. Turn on the switch of the SmartGuard. Connect the power supply. Good job! Well done!